In this generation of teenagers, there is very few who focus on self-improvement. They call themselves the 1%. They truly believe that they need to sacrifice and devote their life to becoming the best version of themselves. They believe that there is nothing that will hold them back from unlocking their true potential.
Today I'm going to be showing y'all a withdrawal I did last week. I was waiting at least a week for me to receive the payment from Definitive Funding for this trade I took. I'm also going to be breaking the trade down and my thought process. So like I said, I'm going to be going over a trade that I took. This trade I actually took last week, and as you can see right here, this was the trade specifically. I took it on the 22nd. It was a trade that was $13.60. I had already did the withdrawal there, so I could wait for the withdrawal and make the video when I received the payment and everything. I wanted to do it a little bit differently. So as you can see, it was approved right here. I'm currently in profit again. Waiting just an hour to reload the page so I can withdraw another withdrawal for another video. We're first gonna actually go into my deal account so I can actually show y'all that I did receive the payment. So as you can see, they sent the payment to my deal account. If you don't know what deal is, it's an option that you can use to request your withdrawal from most prop firms. So as you can see, it's completed. I did get the money into my deal account. Hey now, you behind the screen, I know you're profitable, right? If you like Definitive Funding, right? If you like Definitive Funding, check out their rules. I got a discount code for you. Just for you right there looking at this video. I know you're profitable. Go ahead and use my code KING5. Get you 5% off and an extra 5% profit split. Go ahead and do that. Get you some funding. You know, check out these companies. Get you a payout. It was, I would say about Monday, but they didn't send me the money until I think today. And the reason for this is you do have an option to withdraw the money early once it gets into your deal account, but they charge a small fee. But I don't see any point in that. I'd rather just wait for it. So you do have the option to withdraw way earlier when you receive it on Monday. And it does take longer when you request withdrawals on Fridays. And recently I've been requesting withdrawals on Fridays because I've been just focusing on trying to make some profit and then withdraw. And that's what I'm really focusing on. I'm not really focusing on like trying to scale up the account. I'm just trying to get max funding as of right now. So even though it does say processing right here, I did get it in my bank account. Go into replay mode and what I was thinking. So what I noticed was AUD USD has been bearish if you check the high time frames and everything. And what I noticed that there is a supply zone all the way up here, but because the supply zone is so deep and so far from the point where price broke structure right here, I didn't expect price to pull all the way that deep, because if price is on a downtrend, price is not even likely to pull to your zone. It's gonna continue that downtrend. So when I saw price all the way up here and I saw that it dropped all the way down at this point, I'm like, okay, the expected target would be this low because price is bearish. So as you know, since it was a 15-minute time frame that I was analyzing that structure, I was going on the 1 minute to look for my entry criteria. And sorry about that, that's my alert going off because I am looking to trade if I do get a setup. But let me make this real quick. What I did notice was we had a nice double break of structure. So we had a break of structure right here, another break of structure right here. And what I noticed with the breaks of structure is we had a nice clean supply zone right here. and from that supply zone I noticed that price was pulling up. So if you notice on the 15-minute time frame, price did not break this area, so it was still valid for me to look for sell positions to the downside. So let's see, I waited for a confirmation entry. So at this point I didn't enter the trade even though it tapped. Let me see, when did I enter the trade? I entered around this candle right here. When this candle printed right here, I entered the trade, had my stop loss just a few pips above this area right here, and from there it hit my break even area right here, and it hit my take profit. And I think this trade hit my take profit in around 8 minutes, like it said on Journal for Definitive Funding. It was a quick and easy trade. You know, I was risking 1% on the trade to make 3%. I broke even at a certain area, and I followed my rules, and I'm really happy with that. If you want to see the last withdrawal I did, go ahead and check out this video. I did it in real time and broke down the trade, so go ahead and watch that.